Alright guys, so based on time factor, we have not been meeting. So let's solve this question. This is one of the past questions. So let's solve this past question. And this question is actually very simple. It's under indices. I've solved this question countless times in class for those of you that resumed early or that got admission early. But the thing is, some people still came to my GM, they were like, this question, this question, this question. I'm tired, like, what to do me? Abigilum A. Alright, so this is the question. Looking at this question, this says 2 minus x, the root of 25 to the power of 2x plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1 over 5. And using indices, I think I should clean this because I want to manage the space. I want you to note something that I want you to note that whenever you see the root is equivalent to say 1 over 2. Root is the same as 1 over 2. Hold on, let me just check if this thing is actually capturing well. Alright, I think it is. I don't know, I feel it's a little kind of blur. So, whenever you see root is the same thing as saying 1 over 2. Whenever you see third root, is equivalent to saying 1 over 3. Whenever you see fourth root, it's equivalent to saying 1 over 4. And all these things, they will become exponents, Exponents, I mean they are going to become power. So, since we have this, so the same way we have 2 minus x the root of, so if we write 2 minus x root, so we can write this as 1 over 2 minus x. Are you there? So we can write this as 1 over 2 minus x. So it will become an exponent or a power. We know in secondary school, when we say power, we actually understand that one. Alright, so we take this now, instead of writing this, we write it as this. So, meaning if you don't understand, please, you can go through over this again. So I want you to really get this. Because the chances is, this might come out in your exams. So we have, this is going to give us as 25 to the power of 2x plus 1 over 2, which is here originally. Then, all to the bracket of, or multiplied by, or raised to the power of again, this one now, which you have 1 over 2 minus x. How did you get this? I say whenever you see root, it means 1 over 2. So now that I have 2 minus x root, it means 1 over 2 minus x. So it's equals to 1 over 5. Alright, so having this equals to 1 over 5, I want you to understand that in indices, you can rewrite this 1 over 5 in the index form, which is going to give you, you can write this 1 over 5 as saying this is the same thing as 5 to the power of minus 1. So 1 over 5 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 1. So we just want to write it to make the 5 to become the original base. Are you with me? So we want to make the 5 to become the original base. So writing this now, so instead of writing 1 over 5 here, you can just write this as saying is equals to 5 to the power of minus 1. Alright, so having this now, to continue this, we need to multiply these things that are up here. When we see bracket, you know that's multiplication. So say 2x multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by x. So this is giving us as saying this is 25 to the power of 2x multiplied by 1 will still give us 2x. 1 multiplied by 1 will still give us 1. 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative x will give us negative 2x is equals to 5 minus 1. Don't mind the handwriting. I'm not really comfortable because I want this thing to show for you guys. So having this now, this is giving us as, we have, this is the base of 5. We need to make here 5 also. So we can make here by saying 5 times 5 will give us 25. So meaning we can write this is 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 is different from saying 5 times 2. 5 to the power of 2 means 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 to the power of 2 gives us 25. Now, all multiplied by these ones here, 2x plus 1 all over 4 minus 2x is equals to 5 to the power of 9 minus 1. Alright, so having this, we know we can just easily say this is 5 here, this is 5 here. But before we remove those base, what we need to do is to say 2 times 2x, 2 times 1. So we are not multiplying this 2 by the denominator, by the ones down. It's only by the numerator. So we are this saying 5 to the power of 2 times 2x, that gives us 4x. 2 times 1, that gives us 2. All over 4 minus 2x is equals to 5 to the power of minus 1. Alright, so having this now that we got this is 5, this is 5, 5 here comes to 5. So we want to move the base and our exponent will become our new base. So our exponent become our new base, where we solve as say this is 4x plus 2 divided by 4 minus 2x is equals to negative 1. Alright, so having this now, we can then cross multiply. To cross multiply, we just put over 1 here to make here, we put over 1 here to make here a fraction. Now that is a fraction, we can cross multiply. We say everything on top multiplied by the denominator here, the denominator multiplied by the numerator here. So multiplying this is going to give us our, let me write it here. So multiplying this now, we have this is saying 4x multiplied by 1, that gives us 4x. We see our 2 multiplied by 1, that gives us 2 plus 2 is equals to, this equals to sign equality sign here. 4 multiplied by negative 1, that gives us negative 4. Negative 2x multiplied by negative 1, that gives us positive 2x. Because we have negative multiplied by negative is positive, 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x. Alright, so having this now, we collect like terms. To collect like terms means keep the one that have x together, the one without x together. So we have, this is 4x is here already. We bring our 2x here, we bring it across equality sign. Once it's crossed, it becomes negative 2x is equals to negative 4. Our 2 here is crossing there, becomes negative 2. Alright, so solving this now, this is giving us our 4x minus 2x, that gives us 2x is equals to negative 6. 2x is equals to negative 6. Why? Minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. We are looking for x, not 2x. So divide those by 2, divide by 2. And our x is equals to negative 3. So this becomes the value of x. So the value of x now is negative 3. So for it to be very short, you can carry negative 3, put inside the equation anywhere you see x, put negative 3. Once you solve, your right hand side and your left hand side are going to be the same. So this becomes the value of x. So see you on the next question.